Well, I think it's been an exciting journey. When you look back some 20, 25 years ago, when the likes of Value Card, which is now Unified Payments, and InterSwitch, Charms, there were very few fintechs. Today we have over 250 fintechs and over 6,000 startups. So it's the journey has been exciting. We can see lots of transformation within the financial sector, or even going beyond the financial sector, even the verticals, we're beginning to see a lot of things, and insurtech, agri-tech, health tech, head tech. So I think that that's the place to be, and I think the future is going to be quite more exciting with the kind of prospects that we see in the ecosystem. In 2017, $53 million of what was raised by fintechs in Nigeria. And then 5 years after, we're looking at $1.3 billion. We hope that this year will be also as high as that, despite the reduction in investments globally. But then, so it gives hope. And like I said, there's a lot of the investments are going into payments, into lending, but we'd like to see more investment, and I think it's opening up the space for investment with the verticals, the insurtech, agri-tech, health tech. So I think that it gives hope for young startups that are coming, and for my advice is that look at the verticals. Don't try and struggle to be the next Flutterwave or the next Paystack. Is good. I mean, it's an ambition, but then there are other spaces in insurtech with less than 3%. So, I mean, insurance penetration. So that's a huge space where there are potentials for growth. We can feed ourselves. Agri-tech, potentials for growth. Head tech, our educational system is nothing to write. It's challenging. So I think the opportunities within the verticals are quite high, and what the foundation that payments and lending have set up, everybody can ride on that. For us, advocacy is one of our major objectives, and we want to work with all the regulators to ensure that policies, frameworks that come out support innovation and creativity. It doesn't stifle the ecosystem. In 2018, 2019, we worked with SEC to develop the Fintech Roadmap for the capital market. We're already going to start work with NICOM for the same project for the insurance sector. We've been part of various frameworks from the central bank. And because innovation is always ahead of regulation, how do we bridge that? We believe that it's by engaging. And we set up a regulator forum. So regulator means regulators and innovators to come together. On a quarterly basis, we can rub minds together and grow the ecosystem. It's still a young platform, but we hope that with time, we'll be able to get to a situation where we can start developing policies and frameworks out of that forum, because nobody knows it. The regulators don't have all the answers. The operators don't have all the answers, but we can all come together, rub minds, and come up with the best regulations and policies that work for the ecosystem. From the theme, navigating the next normal, not just the new normal, because what was new was disrupted. So COVID disrupted disruption itself. So everybody needs to like the next normal. And the next normal is can you be sustainable? I mean, a lot of people were affected by COVID, So if that occurs again, how sustainable are you? So sustainable impact, and how does that affect government, new technologies? So there'll be expectation that there are going to be a lot of exciting thoughts, thought leadership issues that will come out of this Nigerian Fintech Week. We're going to hear a lot of new solutions that people are coming up with. We're going to see a lot of pitches of new products. There are a lot of exhibition. We have over 30 companies that are going to be exhibiting. So I think it's going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of learning, and the resolutions will be shared with everybody, government, regulators alike, towards growing the ecosystem.